Today, we will be walking through a few tips and tricks for you to use when working in Microsoft Teams. First, let's start with settings. In the top right corner by your user icon, click on the three dots. From there, click on Settings. This opens up your basic Teams settings. Here, you can manage things like your theme. This is how the application will appear. By clicking on dark or high contrast, your theme will look like this. Select whichever is most comfortable for your viewing. I'm gonna stick with the default option. You can change other things like chat density, the language, if you want to delegate someone to receive calls for you, and your out-of-office automatic replies. To schedule out of office, simply click on Schedule. Here you can customize your automatic replies and set the dates for when you will be unavailable. Let's go to Privacy next. Here is where you can manage settings like Do Not Disturb or blocked contacts. If you have Do Not Disturb enabled, but you still want to receive notifications from your boss or other specific individuals, you can manage your priority access. By adding people to your priority list, you will be able to turn on Do Not Disturb and still receive notifications from these select people. The other functions in this section are relatively self-explanatory, like turning on your read receipts, to make it so when you open a message, it will let the sender know you have seen their message and let you know when they have seen yours. Now let's click over to Devices. This is where you can manage your devices. If you're using an external microphone or speakers, you can set that up here. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the camera. Here, you can select the camera you're using plus a few other cool settings, like adjusting the brightness or turning on soft focus. Hey, that's me. Select whichever settings are best for you. I bet you didn't know you could change your ringtone. We all know the classic Teams call sound, but you can actually customize your ringtone. Wow, listen to those cool options. Now let's get into some of the lesser known functions of Teams. If you are in a group message with colleagues to help organize your chats, you can name them. With the majority of businesses operating in a hybrid or remote setting, it can be hard to organize events. With Teams, you can now set up live events where anyone can attend. Whether it's an annual sales conference or you are celebrating the countdown to your new website going live. Host live events now via Teams. Sometimes we make a mistake. It happens to everyone. But don't worry. You can edit your sent messages to fix any errors, or delete the message entirely. Hopefully now you know a few more tips and tricks to make your Microsoft Teams experience best for you. For more videos about Microsoft Teams, check out our cloud and hosted voice playlists on our YouTube channel.